Hi students, today we are going to learn how to install and configure Hadoop distributed file system. Before configuring Hadoop file system, we have to install Java. For installing Java, we first check whether Java has been installed already. For checking, open command prompt, type cmd, type Java. It will give you some details. Why? Because I have installed already. You can check the Java version also by typing Java hyphen version. It will show you the version details of Java version 1.8.0. For downloading Java 1.8.0, go to browser, open a new tab and type Java downloads. Click on this link, search for Java 8. Yeah, here it is. Click on this. After clicking on this, you have to select the operating system. My machine is Windows operating system, so I have chosen this one. After choosing this, we have to select the bit details, that is 64-bit or 32-bit. My machine is 64-bit operating system, so I have chosen this one. For downloading this, suppose you people are new to downloading and installing Java or JDK 1.8.0, you must have your Oracle account. By clicking on this link, it will automatically ask you to create a Oracle account. After creating an Oracle account, automatically it will start to download. Actually, after downloading, you can see the file which is downloaded in the history. Okay. After clicking on that, you have to double click on this exe file. After installing the Java, that is JDK 1.8.0, you have to set the environment variable. Before that, you have to create an empty folder in the C drive in the name of Java. After installing Java, you will be having JDK 1.8 folder in the program files folder. In this case, actually, in my machine, I'm not having JDK 1.8.0 folder. Why? Because I already done it. So you are new to Java, installing and downloading, then you will be having JDK 1.8.0 folder in the program files folder. You have to cut it, that folder, and you have to paste it in Java folder, this one. Now we can set the environment variable. For setting environment variable, go to edit environment variable. We have to set the path for Java. In environment variable, click on environment variables. You have to give new. In variable name, you have to type Java underscore home. Actually, I have already created an environment variable for Java. This one, for variable value, you have to choose the folder name, that is in C drive, Java, then JDK 1.8, then bin. You have to select this path. You have to copy it and you have to paste it in the environment variable value. This one. Actually, I have done this one, Java home, that is a variable. Variable value is path of the Java folder. After that, you have to click on path. You have to give edit. In this, you have to give new. Actually, I have created already. See Java, the same path you have to paste it here also. This one, after pasting or after creating this one, you have to give OK, then OK, then OK. Now go to command prompt. You can check for Java and Java version. Already installed on my machine. Now let's download Hadoop. For downloading Hadoop, go to browser, type Apache Hadoop, and search for 3.2.4, the version of Hadoop. Here it is. Click on this, download tar.zz. By clicking on this, the 3.2.4 Hadoop will be downloaded. I have installed in my machine already. So let me check whether Hadoop has been installed properly or not. Hadoop. It will show you the details of Hadoop, and also we can check for version of Hadoop. Hadoop version. Yeah, Hadoop 3.2.4 is installed. Again, you have to set the environment variable for Hadoop. Again, open environment variable window. In environment variables, you have to create Hadoop home, and also you have to copy and paste the variable name. Variable name is Hadoop home, and you have to give the value here. The variable value will be the path of the Hadoop folder. For that, go to C drive, open Hadoop, then click on bin. You have to copy this path and you have to paste it here. Actually, I have already given the path for Hadoop home. Then again you have to click on path and edit. Here you have to click on new. After clicking new, we have to paste the same path, that is Hadoop path. You have to set two paths, one for Hadoop bin, then one for Hadoop S bin. I have created already C Hadoop bin, then Hadoop S bin. After creating these two paths, click on OK, then click on OK. OK. Now we have completed the path setting for Hadoop also. Now we have to go for the C drive in Hadoop. We have to delete this bin folder. After deleting this bin folder, we have to install one more bin folder. Why? Because it will cause some errors. For avoiding that, we have to download and install bin folder. For downloading and installing bin folder, I have given link in description box. This is an bin folder link. By clicking on this, you can download it. You can download it. Now you have to extract this one. It will ask you where to extract. In this, you have to select the path where we have to extract in Hadoop. Open C, then Hadoop in bin. Actually, already there is a bin folder. Why? Because I have already completed. So there is an bin folder. Then now open C drive, Hadoop. go to etc Hadoop. Now you have to set the environment variable. There will be an file called Hadoop hyphen env. Hadoop hyphen env. Open it in Notepad. In this, you have to set the JDK path. For getting this JDK path, you have to go to C drive, Java, JDK 1.8. Now you have to copy this path. After copying this in the notepad, you have to paste it here. I have done already. Now press Ctrl yes. After that, go to Hadoop, go to etc, again Hadoop. There will be some file name called coresite.xml. In this file, you have to type this code, property and name field. Property field, and also within the property we have to create two fields, that is name field and value field. In the name field we have to give fs dot default. Fs should be in capital letter. In value field we have to type HDFS localhost and 9000. After typing this commands, we have to save it. Then again go for https hyphen site.xml. Open this in a notepad. In this file, you have to type this code. Within configuration, you have to create property. Within property, you have to create name value and also name and value. For name, you have to type dfs dot replication. For value, you have to type as 1. You have to close this property, and one more property you have to open. In this, the name will be dfs.namenode.name.directory. You have to type the path for name node. For getting this path, what you have to do is you have to create a folder called data inside the Hadoop. I have created already data. Within this folder you have to create two more empty folder, that is data node and name node. This path, you have to copy this path, you have to paste it here. For name node, you have to get corresponding path of the name node. For data node, you have to get the corresponding data node path. After typing this, you have to save it. Now go for Hadoop etc, again etc Hadoop, then mapred site.xml. Open this in notepad. In this file you have to type these commands. Open one more property. Within the property I have open name and also value. In the name field you have to type mapreduce.framework.name. In the value you have to type yon. Then again Hadoop etc Hadoop HDFS site XML file will be there. You have to open it in notepad. Within the configuration, you have to create a property. Within the property, we have to type the value of name and also value. The name will be dfs.replication. Value is 1. Open one more property. https and hdfs site.xml both will be the same. Either you can open this one and type the code of this one, or you can open HDFS site.xml. Both will work. No need to open both the files, and no need to type the same thing in the two files. Either will be working. Then open yarn site.xml, open a notepad, then type these commands. Open your property, name and value. In name you have to type yarn.nodemanager.aux hyphen services. Then in value MapReduce underscore shuffle. Close the property. Again one more property I have to open it. In within the property name and value, name will be yarn.nodemanager.aux services.mapreduce.shuffle.class. In value I have to type org.apache.hadoop.mapred.shuffle handler. S and H should be in capital letter. The editing is over. We have done all those things. We have edited all the code in the all the files. Go to C drive, go to Windows, go to System 32 folder. In the System 32 folder, there is your then go to C drive, Windows, System 32. In System 32, you will be having winutils.exe. You have to double click on that. Suppose you people are getting a pop-up window, a error pop-up window. It will show you some error message that MSBCR 170 or 120, some file is missing. Simply you can download from the browser by typing MSBCR 120. Simply you can download it. MSBCR 120 DLL. For initializing Windows utility. After installing, you have to, after downloading, you have to copy that Windows util exe into the System 32 folder. Simply you have to copy and paste it in System 32 folder. After this, open a command prompt, run as administrator. Now format a name node of Hadoop. Further type HDFS name node format. Go to C drive, Hadoop, data node. Actually, I had to delete this one. Why? Because I already completed the installation and configuration of a Hadoop. So I'm going to delete this one. Now the data node and name node will be empty. Again go to command prompt. Now again format the name node hyphen format. Now the name node is successfully formatted. Now change the path, cd slash cd Hadoop, then cd sbin. Now start the DFS. For that you have to type start hyphen DFS dot cmd. You can see the data node and name node is started. Here you can check by typing JPS command whether the data node and the name node has been started or not. You can get this type of messages after typing JPS command. Data node and the name node is started. Now again you have to start the yarn. For that you have to type start hyphen yarn dot cmd. Yarn is used to start the node manager and also a resource manager. It's started. Now you can check by typing JPS command in command prompt whether node manager and resource manager has been started or not. Now you can see node manager, resource manager, data node and name node. Everything is started. Now we can use user interface to check whether the Hadoop has been installed or not. Open browser, type localhost colon 9870. This is the port number for Hadoop 9870. You can see the Hadoop is started. Whether nodes or data nodes are working or not, whether is there any live data nodes. For that scroll down, go to live nodes. Yeah, name node is still loading. Open one more tab, type localhost colon 8088. You can see the node details. Nodes, your node is running. Now the Hadoop has been successfully installed and configured on Windows machine.